So, I am all packed up, ready to go. It's 8 in the morning. Just been getting ready, getting packed to go to Toronto today. I'm leaving in about half an hour, and I'm very excited. Honestly, I'm excited because I don't know what to expect. With Vancouver, I had a bit of an idea, but for Toronto, I don't know what to expect. And it's, in Vancouver, I was living with my friends and at his parents' house. Now it's just pure freedom. It's pure freedom. And it's only for a shorter amount of days, but it's going to feel good. I'm very excited. But I want to talk to you today about the ups and downs in life. I remember back a few videos ago when I got my sale, and even especially the sale right after, I was on an up. I felt like I can conquer the world. That I was like finally, making it and finally conquering life. But as we all know, that the progress to success is never a linear line. It's never straight. But I did mention before that there are ups and downs. It's inevitable. But if you look at the span of a lifetime, if your trend is going up, there's going to be downs though. But if you realize that you have a big up, a little down, big up, little down. So I realized that now, after last week trying to get another sale, but I guess failing, it doesn't hurt as much. For some reason, it hurts. It definitely sucks. I'm not going to lie to you. But it doesn't hurt as much as it used to. Maybe because I've already got the sale, so now I know it's possible. Now I'm a bit more optimistic about it. Or now maybe it's because I've been here before. I've done it so many times. Been in this position where I spend money on ads and it doesn't work. There's going to be ups and downs in life, and you're going to have to learn how to deal with them. Because, like I said, it's never a linear line. And even when I was at my highest, I kind of said to myself, I'm like, but there should be a down coming soon, because I've been feeling so up for such a long time. And my goal is to just basically prolong the ups and make the ups long as possible. But I don't know if it's a bad mentality, but it's like I kind of knew there has to be something bad coming, something that doesn't work out in my favor, because can't be like this. Also, like, I just didn't think that, I don't know, I was a bit iffy. That's why I didn't believe my sales at first, because it's just like, in my head I thought, there's no way this is it. There's no way I'm about to just scale, increase budget, and make a lot of money, like life-changing money. There's no way this is the moment. Part of me didn't feel it, didn't believe it, and maybe that's why it didn't happen. I think I should be more optimistic in that sense and should be more positive in my head. Anyways, I don't want to make this too short, but there's going to be ups and downs. You're going to have to deal with them. And enjoy it, accept it. Like, when I told myself there has to be a down coming, I wasn't really dreading it as much. I was just like, it's inevitable, it's gonna come. I accepted it. Times like that, tough times are gonna come. But those tough times are what make the highs feel so much better. Anyways, I will see you in Toronto. And I'll hope to see you at the top.